So today I am giving you a deep dive into a tool that claims to make budgeting enjoyable. Stick with me and let's see if YNAB is real budget game changer or just a hype. Before we dive right in, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are interested in tools and tips that will make managing money a little less stressful. So first of all, let's know about YNAB. So YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it was created by Jesse Mayhem back in 2004. In 2004, Jesse and his wife had no money and badly needed a budget to overcome that situation. From that situation, they think of this app, and now YNAB has millions of users and they are operating their business very effectively. You can use YNAB by their website and by their app services. App is available in Android devices as well as iOS, and the app runs smoothly on both devices. So we have discussed briefly about YNAB, and now we will hop onto their website to learn more about what they are offering and the pricing of their plans. So here are some of the features YNAB is offering. So a wealth building tool at your fingertips. So you can start your free trial by clicking on the link on the description box. You will get 34 days free trial without any cost and without any need of a credit card. You have to just input your credit card details and everything will be just free. So let's go down. So it's totally ad-free and bank-grade security. That's another important benefit of YNAB, because they are offering integration of banks and top-notch integration. They are very secured and very safe, and they maintains all the privacy you need. They also offer world-class support, friendly, helpful, and all-around wonderful human beings just waiting to help you. This is the bank section, how you can choose your bank to add to your YNAB account, and they had multiple apps for your PC, mobile phone and tablets. That is it. And other features like easy setup mode, split transactions, endless customization widgets, and many more. Here is goal tracking feature. You can track your goal. First of all, you have to set your goal. By setting your goal, you will be able to achieve it, and by tracking system provided by YNAB, the goal achievement ratio will be further increased. So there is a loan calculator also available as a feature of YNAB. You can calculate your loans just like if we zoom it. Here is it. You can calculate your loans, how you're gonna pay and how much you're going to pay. So in YNAB, you will get three type of reports. That is one spending report, net worth report, and income versus expense report. The reports are very essential if you like to see your habits in a structured way. Here is the 20-year celebration logo. YNAB is celebrating their 20 years. To sum the best features of, the first best feature YNAB is offering integration of bank accounts to your YNAB account, and the second is world-class support you will get from YNAB, and another thing is the security that you will get because YNAB is operating for over 20 years, so they have a good loyalties over their customers. Another feature of YNAB is a loan calculator. You can calculate your loans on the app integrated in the YNAB. Another key feature is the reports you will get from YNAB. These reports will come handy when you want to see on a larger level, just like if you want to see your whole year structure. These reports can help you a lot. So now we will discuss about what is great and what is not too great about YNAB. So first of all, we have to say thanks to YNAB for their transparency. Transparency is so obvious when envelope system and zero-based budgeting gets together. So another great thing about YNAB is it's so motivating for the users. How it motivates the user? Because it has integrated goal setting plans that you will get from YNAB, and by the goal setting plans, when you hit your goals, and the habit of being motivated by achieving your goals will make you a stronger and more organized person. By this habit, you will surely manage your money effectively. Things about YNAB. The main con that I face using YNAB is the learning curve. YNAB has a steep learning curve that you have to go through because it follow envelope system and also zero-based budgeting. Normal people will find it very difficult. So another thing I don't like about YNAB is their costing. They are a little bit more costly. They can be a little bit less costlier. If you are paying for the money, you will get everything you pay for. So YNAB has the features and they are taking the money for it. And another con of YNAB is the manual entry system. Manual entry can be a good thing or a bad thing. It will surely depend on you and your style. I feel this is one con that YNAB should look forward to. If you are willing to up your budgeting game, YNAB is for you because it has bank automation and has the ability to change your bad habit into good habit and also have a community that is active on social media. In my opinion, you should choose YNAB because it has a whopping 4.9 rating in Google App Store, as well as it has a strong active online community where you can get support and also talk about your budgeting goals. That's it for today's video, and I hope this video will help you to choose your budgeting app. Thank you for watching.